All right, ladies and some gentlemen, it is all about that holiday glow. And Susan Lundy from the Beaumont Health and Wellness Clinic joins us with more on getting that youthful glow. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. What I was sharing during the break with you was that a lot of these questions that I was looking at are questions that I've actually had for myself, like kind of what do they entail? And the first one is, what exactly is Botox?
Mm-hmm. Botox is a protein that we inject in the muscle, excuse me, and it slows down the muscular reaction. And,
Get her some water, please.
Yeah. So that you can't make repetitive movements that can cause static lines in the face.
Okay, so basically kind of helping with not to move the facial structure so much so that less wrinkles take place.
Exactly.
Okay. And then what do you do actually like to treat it? How does it actually, the injections work?
The injections go into the muscle in different areas of your face, depending on the movement that the muscle makes, and so it will slowly make you unable to make that movement so that your facial expression is a little smoother. And you know, a lot of people that have wrinkling in the forehead or around their eyes, why that's greatly reduced or not at all.
And what I've kind of seen in the movies is, you know, like maybe having a little Botox here, you know, around the eyes and the forehead. Is that kind of the target areas, or can you pretty much get Botox wherever needed?
Well, there are certain areas that Botox doesn't work. Like around the volume loss with the nasolabial folds, etc. But we are hearing of a lot of other applications, like for migraine headaches, neck pain, back pain. So different types of Botox are being used to treat those different conditions. But on the face, it is mainly the eyes. We call it the glabellar or Levin lines, and your forehead are the biggest areas to treat.
All right. And what is microdermabrasion?
It's an exfoliation of the skin that's deeper than you can get, like with the Clarisonics or even, you know, scrubbing the face with a loofah or something like that, and it lightens and brightens the skin, gets the skin another layer off so that the new skin shows that's glows a little bit more.
Okay. I have to say I was a big fan of that TV show Sex and the City when it was out, you know, a couple years back. And I remember Samantha getting that chemical peel.
Right.
Kind of exactly what is that? Because she seemed a little bit traumatized afterwards.
Right. Chemical peels use various acids. There's all kinds of different mixtures, and it depends on how deep a peel. Some of them are only like a step more than a microdermabrasion, or you can have a pretty extreme peel if you have a lot of fine lines, wrinkles, or even some scarring and uneven coloration of the skin. It can peel off a good layer of the dermis so that you have nice fresh skin that grows under it, but it can be disfiguring for a while because you are sloughing skin cells at a pretty good rate.
Yeah, so that's what I was going to ask is when you have something like the chemical peel, is that a situation where you might want to take off for a week from work, or?
If you get a real deep peel, yes.
Okay.
You would definitely want to plan that, and the person that is providing that for you should discuss all that with you before the procedure's done.
So if you don't need it that deep of a peel, you can maybe walk out of there and be okay?
Yes, yes. A light peel, you shouldn't have any redness. It just should be fresh and clean and glowing.
Okay, and what's the difference between Skin Medica, is that how you pronounce that, and skincare products available in retail stores?
Skin Medica is a product line that was developed by Dr. Fitzpatrick. It's been purchased by Allergan, who's our partner with some of our, well, they provide Botox in the United States and Juvederm. And they also have purchased this for treating all the fine lines, wrinkles. They have a patented formula of protein tissue nutrient system that has human growth factors. It's the only line in the United States that has human growth factors. Some have some synthetic or plant-based, but they aren't as available and don't stimulate the dermis to the degree that this one does.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us. And of course, Beaumont Health and Wellness Clinic. And where exactly are you located?
We're located at 229 Dowling Road, Suite 13B. It's the shopping center where Rural Gym is, and we're right between like Basic Foods and Randy's Jewelers is on the end. So
absolutely,
we're down in the south end.
I know exactly where you're located, and I know a lot of people are at home. They want that phone number.
It is 813-2761.
813-2761.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much. We have to have you back because we have more questions
Right.
for you.
Okay, be glad to do that.
Absolutely. We appreciate it. And I have to say, I've been there with losing the voice. You are a real trooper. You did well. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, you're watching Southeast Texas Live. We'll be right back after the break.
All right.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.